Working on the exhaust finally. So that's the exhaust. That's all there is. Just open downpipe with a extension. So it's loud. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that section off. Take this section off. Right there at the V-band. Cut it and try to figure out how I want to reroute this entire section. Got it off. So I'm just mucking up the exhaust. So this is kind of like what I have going on. So I'm pretty happy with the way this is turning out. This is going to be the hoop that goes over the dry shaft, converted into the dual 2 inches. And that should help me get a lot of ground clearance. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the car in a few minutes. The exhaust that we worked on, I just had it loop up over the dry shaft and went down there. And I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with the rear end, but I'm pretty happy. There you go. So that's the look of it. So it loops up over the dry shaft and just comes down into this. This thing took a long time to get this set up. And basically mounted. I attached this little extra bracket right here to bolt of this to help secure it on this side. I'm gonna do the same for here. Well, from here to here. This screw is from the body. It's a pain to get to, so I'm gonna do it from this one right here. Like the clothes I have that one. And I have this. This is the quote-unquote bullet I was talking about. So I'm gonna put it in to see more or less where it would fit and how it would look. I just put on a tip that I had. So this is more or less just an idea so far. It's gonna look like that. And I'm gonna just do a turn down right there. And I don't know, it's looking decent. Because I took the exhaust back off, because hopefully today I'll get it finally welded up all the way. Not by me, but yes, I'm just gonna clean it up so when he comes at least it's prepped and ready to go. But so back to the welding. Yeah, a little bit better. I'm sure this is no surprise. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully I'm just gonna do a little section at a time. So if I do mess up, you know, my friend could clean it up for me, but I'm gonna try to not screw this up completely. Clean up the surface down by the weld so I could, you know, give myself the best chance. Okay, so after cleaning it, let's wipe it down with some acetone. This just to give me the best possible weld, because like I said, I'm no professional. I'm just trying a thing. So far these are what I've completed, but everything else seemed to came out well. Like I did them. Yeah, I'm actually pretty proud. They're not perfect by no means. Like certain areas like these are all wavy. Over here came out great. I don't know what I did here, but this was perfect. This was, you know, wavy, whatever. But first time attempt. But how everything came out, I did in these exhausts, so that's a big improvement over the last time when I was doing this. So we got the whole thing welded up. Everything is hanging on correctly. So now I'm just gonna throw it onto the car and hopefully everything works. So I got the exhaust on. Like I said, it's cold, so I'm just rushing through this thing. So far, everything seems to be, you know, held in place. Get sprinklers, it's freezing. So overall, it's not bad. This is what it sounds like, this is what it looks like. So the height seems to be working today. I gotta check it when I go back, maybe tomorrow or a few other days, I'm gonna drive to see if it sags. But she's out, she's about. Still got a little bit of stuff I gotta fix, but it's overall not bad. Let's see if I can give you a little sound clip. From taking the car for a spin, it drove like a normal car. No breakup. The base tune that's in there did a good job. Granted, there's still issues I want to fix with the vibrations, but besides that, she did well.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
As stated, once the Accord exhaust was finished and is driving around, we will start in the transmission. So here we go. This is transmission number 1. Transmission number 2 is the CRV B series transmission. That will be the next thing I take apart. So for right now, this is out of a Prelude, I believe 89 Prelude. Here is the code. So this is the one we're going to be taking apart today, just to get all the the little parts out, get what's needed, so I can start taking apart that one and install everything into this housing.